Welcome back to Generation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Eden.
Looks like she's saying that fast with me. Okay, I am doing Ipsy versus Sephora. So I'm going to open Ipsy first. It's in my hand.
Already did my Ipsy a while back. Kim's, for some reason, they were delaying hers for some reason. I don't know why.
Yeah, I don't have any clue.
And we're doing back-to-back-to-back videos.
Okay.
3 videos in a row.
So first thing is outside the pouch are 2 sheet masks.
This is your Ipsy, right? That's so weird.
Ipsy, yeah.
That's so weird.
So hydrating coconut gel sheet mask and brightening coconut gel sheet mask. Pharmacy.
The only thing I got was that makeup brush that broke, right? I think that was it. This is a Tetris themed Ipsy, which I thought was awesome. But the one makeup brush that they gave me, the top just like popped off right away, and I was like, okay, quality here, people, quality. I know it's only a $10 bag or whatnot.
So I got the same thing. Did you show the color?
I didn't get that.
So
I'll tell you right away if I got it or not. I did not get
Tetris,
that.
Ipsy eyeshadow block party. I want to actually open it because I don't know if it's like one color or 2 or.
You said you won't. You would want to open it, right?
No, I said I want to open it. Sorry if I'm not speaking correctly. I'm in a rush today. I can't even open it. Like,
it's her son's birthday, so we're celebrating that. So happy birthday, Ethan! You'll hear that in several videos.
Okay. Well,
do you want me to get open while you do
maybe it's like I don't hear you figure that out. I give her all the hard stuff. Okay, and then is it Numa naturally addictive new moisture instant fix revive healthier hair roll dew protection sans recollage. I don't know if that's like all in some of it's in English and some of it's in a different language, or if I just can't read. But that's good. I could use that.
I don't want to break your thing, but
I know.
Sorry guys if I ruin this box because I might just open it the hard way because I don't see how it comes out without.
I just why was there a cap? It was like off the thing, so that's.
Oh, I like that stuff. I think I've gotten that before.
Okay, and then lip fondant, half caked.
This is what it looks like without that on. So just so you guys know.
Babe tested sweet tooth. So if this, I don't know how to
opening it is.
I'll have to look what this is because if it's like a lip gloss or something, then I would just leave it unopened and put it in the giveaway.
I thought this would have like a little mirror, but it doesn't. It says it's my game. Totally cute theme. This is block party. So that's what it looks like. It's just like a coppery or goldish, like shimmery. Do you think you'll wear the? I mean, do you want to me swatch it? You swatch it.
I could swatch it. I mean, it's kind of a gold. I mean,
and it almost looked like it was already messed up when I opened it. Just a tad. So
it's almost like a highlighter, right? Like, so like shimmery.
It says eyeshadow, but yeah.
I mean, it's just
it's very
like a shimmery.
It's shimmery. Sorry, we're in the box, but she'll keep this one.
Okay. And then this is a perfume that says "I am trash."
Shit. I know. Or douche. I don't know if you say
the front looks like, and then that.
I love new perfumes.
I think that was it. So, and then here's a little, like card thing it comes with. I know you already saw her. So now I still have another thing to open, so I'm trying to be fast. But that was it. So it was the perfume, the eyeshadow, what I'm guessing is like a lip gloss, lip fondant half caked. I don't know what that is. And then the 2 masks. That makes the 5, right?
Yeah, if you count the masks
1,
separately.
2, 3, 4, 5.
And see, that's weird because other than the shadow.
Oh wait, no 6.
Oh, that too.
So like.
I mean, there's a couple makeup things I wouldn't have liked in this, but I would have liked the masks more than, the brush I got.
And then this is Sephora's. I feel like we're taking forever.
I miss Sephora. Sephora, I want to get as soon as I can.
I don't know if I'm going to be able to.
I think they set the precedent for having 6 items in a little box for like around 10 a month.
When you open it, it looks like that. I'm just skipping steps here. Sorry, everybody. And then
you always get that little coupon thing for 50 extra points.
Yeah, I'm just going to show the product.
Shows what you
and
get.
Then on the back. Okay, so pull this back down. Am I doing that the right way? I feel like I'm not folding that right either.
Oh.
I'm just handing her everything. Oh, the bag's cute. It's orange. It says work hard, play harder on the back. Okay.
Lots of good size items I feel like in there. They're not rinky dinky.
And then I guess I'll just pull out the first thing. Okay, then here's Hums Beauty Starts From Within. Gummies with benefits, hair, sweet hair for stronger, healthier hair.
I actually use everything they give us that's like that. I actually try or use.
I like Hum products. Yeah. Okay, next thing I'm pulling out is Tarte's High Performance Naturals Sealer Multitasking Foundation with SPF 20. Ooh.
I have their ones with 15, but 20 is better.
I like everything with SPF in it. And then First Aid Beauties, Ultra Repair Barrier Cream, strengthen, balance, and hydrate, safe for sensitive skin.
So far, I like everything you've gotten out of here.
And then this I already have. I already own 2 of them, so maybe I don't know. I do like it though. Laneige, as I say, Laneige sleeping care lip sleeping mask.
I have theirs, but it's not a lip one. It's like a face one.
Oh, I
that's
have
weird.
this literally sitting next to my bed, and then I have another one somewhere over
I
here.
think it was a face one that looked similar to that. But
And then
Beliefs.
Beliefs. I have it right there. Do you see it?
Yeah, the little.
I have Believe the True
that
Cream
one.
Aqua Bomb.
Is that one over there a little bigger or same?
No, it's the same size.
Oh, it is. Okay, it's hard to see from
Yeah.
over here. She's
And
got so many
then-
products.
And then Biosons, is that how you say it? Biosons? Squalene and plus tea tree detox mask.
Tea tree.
Yeah.
Does
So,
that
but
kill-
yeah, we like skincare, so yay for the skincare products.
Does tea tree kill bacteria? I can't remember. One of
I
them
think
does,
so.
right?
Yeah. So that was it.
I know, and I think that was some skincare, but there also was like a foundation in there.
Yeah.
So, or CC cream, however you look at it. So I think good things to use for summer. So, which one do you like better? I like this one, Sephora, better, but
I think I do as well.
really, Sephora takes the cake this time. Again, happy birthday, Ethan. But that was it for this video. If we were fast enough for you, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaways. We're doing another one at 150 subscribers. And we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.